Model, actress, makeup artist, and entrepreneur, Charis Michelsen is today's guest. Charis talks about her career in entertainment and will also discuss some very exciting and new projects.
All right, Charis Michelsen, welcome to the show.
Thank you. It is a pleasure to be with you, Mark.
So nice to have you. Charis, you have so many titles attached to your name. So I just have to ask, when did it all start?
Well, I've been creative since I was a little kid, but when I landed in New York City, when I was 18 years old, I got scouted on a street corner by a photographer for Harper's Bazaar magazine. And that was the beginning of my modeling career. And that led to an acting career. And that led to my beauty career. And that's where I'm at now. And I really wanted to help people because it is very important to feel your best. And when you look your best, it contributes to that. And they've actually found that it can boost your immune system.
Charis Michelsen, thank you so much for being here with us today and talking about fashion and giving us hints that we should have sold. We should have said, if you want to look thinner, press this button. If you want to look taller, press this button. So I can't thank you enough for being here. It's just a pleasure having you. Thank you so much.
Oh, it's my pleasure, Mark. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care now. Bye-bye.
You too.
Thank you for watching Life Stories with Marc Hoberman. To contact Marc, email him at info@lifestorieswithmarchoberman.com.